The castle of San Zeno is probably the first nucleus of the medieval town, as it was seat of the feudal castle. The wall's construction started here, and the town extended from here outwards as well. The most ancient element still preserved is the Mestio, the principal tower, which was built in 1242 under the rule of Ezzelino da Romano. Reaching the height of 38 meters, it overlooks the town, and it's among the prominent features of the entire town fortified structure. Result of several superimpositions, the castle is composed of 4 bodies surrounding a beautiful inner wall. Here, a roofed wood gallery still to this day overhangs along the east and west wall. The southern wing is instead of the Venetian period. In ancient times, a moat dug in place of the present-day square completed the castle isolation, and a series of drawbridges and portcullises defended passages to and from the fortification and town. The arena dates differently back to modern age, and its scenery to theatrical and musical events. Nowadays, the castle hosts an interesting archaeological museum, a museum dedicated to 2 great native tenors, Martinelli and Pertile, several cultural institutions, and a civic library.